Welcome to the Mahakriti application. This video will help you to file a complaint with MahaRERA. If you have a grievance related a RERA registered or unregistered real estate project, start by logging in with your username and password on the login screen. If you are a new user and have logged in as an allottee or others, you will be asked to complete your profile before filing a complaint. Once your profile is completed, you can click on the Complaint tab on the left panel. Here you would be able to see all the RERA complaints filed by you or complaints filed against you, including miscellaneous complaints if any. To begin filing a complaint under Section 31, click the New Complaint button. To file a complaint about a specific project, you can search for the project either by entering the project name or the MahaRERA project registration number in the Enter Project or MahaRERA registration number field. Once you select the project details will be auto-fetched. Review these details and click Next. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Confirm to proceed or select Edit to return and modify the details. On the Complainant Details tab, the address and contact details of the primary complainant will be auto-fetched. You will have the option to add a separate communication address, include another complainant's, and appoint an authorized signatory if necessary. Submit the details of the authorized representative if you intend to have one. In the next tab, select the type of primary respondent from the options made available. In case the respondent is a RERA registered promoter or agent, the respondent details will be auto-fetched. In the case of allottee or others, you need to fill in all the details. There is also an option to add another respondent if needed. In the next tab, you would be needed to submit facts of case and answer all the questions related to the case and upload relevant documents for the same. You would notice that this tab collects a lot of relevant details to place these in front of all the parties and the hearing bench in an objective manner. In the subsequent tab, submit the relief sought by you as part of this complaint. Select the appropriate section under the RERA Act and submit the details. There is also an option available to submit interim relief and upload convenience document which should not be more than 20 pages. Refer relevant orders in this regard on our website in the Complaint Redressal tab. Go through the declaration given on the next tab, and if you are fine with it, accept the declaration by clicking on Accept. You can go through the entire complaint application by clicking on the Preview tab. In case you notice any issue, go back to the section and make the required changes, otherwise click on Make Payment. Once the payment is done, a receipt will get generated and you will get a complaint number. Keep it handy to track the complaint progress in future. SMS and email communications would get triggered through the system to all the concerned parties, complainant, respondent, legal representatives, etc. At any time, you can track the complaint status in Complaints Raised by Me under Complaints section. If you need further assistance, then please call the help desk or go through the user manual.